Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Okay, time for our lunchtime picnic, Paw Patrol Pups.
Me too.
Of course, Phoebe, you too.
Okay, Paw Patrol team, landing for lunch. Trucks are parking for lunch. Raft is pulling out of the rapid for lunch.
Okay, Miss Hands, we're ready for lunch. Oh, this lunchbox is really stinky.
Whoa! Oh, looks like we need a new lunchbox.
But I don't have any more food. This is a disaster!
Whoa, it smells so bad. Don't worry, Phoebe, I have a plane. And we have trucks. And I have a car that can float on water.
It looks like we have a Paw Patrol mission ready to go.
An around-the-world Paw Patrol lunch.
Yes! That way we can celebrate every culture and add it to our lunchbox.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's fly! Whoa! We are landing in India! Let's see what tasty lunch snack we can find here.
Oh, great landing, Sky! Did you know that India is the 7th largest country in the world?
Whoa! It must be really big then.
It is! And they also have lots of unique foods with special spices.
Let's bring this snack home.
Woohoo! Let's see what ingredients we have and try a tasty Indian snack. Indian food contains lots of different spices and ingredients. Here we have cumin seeds. And this orange powder, this is ground turmeric. And here we have black nigella seeds. And this is a piece of root ginger.
Ooh, India has some really interesting ingredients.
Yes, it does, Fizzy. Due to the diversity in soil, climate, and traditional family recipes, India grows many different kinds of food.
So, what are we going to have in our lunchbox today, Miss Hands?
Well, Fizzy, we are gonna have a samosa. Sky brought one back for us to try.
One samosa coming right up.
This is a vegetable samosa. It's a popular snack originally from Central Asia, and it's usually made in a certain shape. Do you know what the shape is called?
A triangle.
That's right, Fizzy. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Can anyone spot the vegetables in here?
Peas, carrots, potatoes.
Good work, team. And it's usually eaten with a spicy sauce called chutney.
Yum, 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 yum. It's hot!
It's called spicy for a reason, Phoebe. India makes some of the spiciest foods in the world. Marshall.
Here's some water, Phoebe.
Thanks, Marsha.
I think we should add our samosa to the lunchbox.
Let's go to the next place. Whoa, these waves are huge, but we can do it. Whoa, we're in Italy.
That's right, Zoomer. This is Italy. It's a tiny boot-shaped country that extends from southern Europe. And Italy is famous for its delicious cuisine, including pasta.
I have the perfect food. Let's row it home.
What is it?
It's pasta, Phoebe.
Wow, that's one of my favorites.
Yeah, but we're gonna need to boil the pasta first.
Here you go, Miss Hands.
Oh, thanks, Phoebe. And next, let's add our pasta to the water. There we go. Pasta recipes were passed from generation to generation. The act of kneading the dough, shaping it, and cooking it is a time for families to get together.
Like us, we're making our pasta.
Exactly. Oh, look, it's ready. Let's add it to the lunchbox.
But Fizzy, are we still missing some food?
Well, let's see. Let's see what we have in our lunchbox so far.
We have samosas
They're from India.
and pasta.
That was from Italy.
I have reports of something on fire in this region.
Oh, don't worry, Marshall. It's these. These are chili peppers, and they can be mild or really hot and fiery. Welcome to Mexico.
Whoa, Mexico looks so cool.
Mexico is well known for having lots of different terrain, from mountains to rainforests and even coral reefs.
Awesome. I know exactly what snack to bring back.
What snack is it this time, Miss Hands?
It is
Lettuce, beans, cheese.
Here's a clue.
We're making tacos! Awesome sauce!
In Mexico, they have lots of different kinds of beans, chili peppers, fruit, and vegetables. Oh, Fizzy, you sound hungry. Let's speed this up. First, we add the lettuce. And then our spicy beans. And then we add
Cheese! Lots and lots and lots of cheese!
Okay, Phoebe, lots of cheese. And finally, a little blob of salsa on the top.
I think we found a tasty snack.
Oh, hey, Rubble. We're in America, the good old US of A. Now, this is going to be super easy. We can make this one together. Let's make a tasty American snack. We're going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And we start with our peanut butter here. And did you know that America has a population of 324 million people? And we add our jelly.
Whoa, that's a lot of sandwiches!
It sure is, Phoebe. Now let's close up our sandwich like this. And I'm gonna take a cookie cutter and cut out our sandwich.
Oh, can I try, Miss Hands?
Go for it, Fizzy.
Push! There we go!
Oh, thank you, Fizzy. Let's add our sandwich to our around the world lunchbox.
We have samosas from India, pasta from Italy, tacos from Mexico, and peanut butter sandwiches from the USA.
We did it! We have worldwide food!
Yeah, this is so cool. We learned about so many different cultures.
And it all sounds delicious!
Time to eat, team.
Woohoo!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time!